If you take a wee minute to look around, you'll find one of these boys in every town. He's no near wise, but he's no daft. He's as sherp as they come, he's no so saft. Reared the hard road when folk had less, nae shoes for his feet, and his windows nae glass. 20 years of schooling is all he got, but he never forgot the sums he was taught. He hadn't much time for algebra or Pythagoras' theorem. The schoolmaster tried, but he couldn't steer him. Einstein's equations could build you a space rocket, but they wouldn't hold a candle to Auld Han's bookie's target. He's no into fashion, he's no into fad. He has the same style he's always had. Brakes hooked up to his oxters and tucked into his socks. He travels by push bike, and for by that he walks. A good suit of clothes he keeps pressed in the house. It does him for both weddings and funerals. It has money of use. Auld Han, he doesn't talk like the young folk day, their accents or tones or the words they say. About Instagram and Twitter, he hasn't a clue. They're as foreign to him as Timbuktu. And when it comes to grub, he tries nothing new. Loves his soda, fudge, prutas, broth and stew. Pasta, pizza and curries, they're no for him. And he swears it's the whisky that keeps him thin. He has a jig of bush every night. It keeps his blood clean and his trousers tight. Nae interest in women since he buried his wife. He reckons yon woman's more than enough for this mortal life. And when Auld Han dies, he wants nae greeting, just a ween of hymns and a simple meeting. So dinna be sad when you lay him down, for you'll no keep Auld Han in the ground. No, he'll leave on in our memories so sweet, and we'll tell all his yarns to the folk we meet. And in his own way, Auld Han will never be dead, for the life he lived, it planted a seed. And that seed springs forth every day, when we repeat his phrases and the words he'd say. Auld Han's language, aye, it's our language too. It's the inheritance he left to both me and you. And the older I get, the more I understand the treasure we hae when we hae an Auld Han.